morning. I hope you can hear me well. Welcome to another mini tour video. So today, what is our plans? Well, as you join me venturing off in the little mini, we are going to go to one of the Dorset's greatest mansions. We are going to Kingston Lacy. So join in, follow, let's go. Just look at that. This is the old driveway to Kingston Lacy, and right up in front is the house. Just look how it dwarfs the Mini. Now I thought the Mini was small, but seeing it in front as we're driving around, it's just tiny. Right, let's get parked up. Okay, so as we are leaving the Mini behind, let's just go and venture off. Let's go and find what's this place all about. I've got the camera with me as well, so if you want to see any of the photos I've got today, I'll leave them all in a link in the description below. And yeah, if you would like a coffee at all, just let me know, and I can tell you all the prices. So without further ado, let's carry on and let's see what this place has to offer. Catch you in a bit. Okay, so we're all through. We've got a map, and yeah, I'll tell you all about how that experience was in about a couple of minutes or so. So as we're just walking past all the toilets, they're doing a lot of refurbishment and a lot of upgrades and stuff. So let's carry on. And I'll see you all in a little while. Okay, so let's begin with the woodland trail. So let's go and take a right. Let's go and see what it's all about. As we unlock the gate. It is really peaceful and quite quiet here, so let's carry on as we head towards the woodland trail. Just behind me there is a little coffee stop, and highly recommend it, because you've got the picnic benches and you can enjoy these lovely and these quiet views of the estate whilst having a nice freshly brewed barista coffee, and maybe even a slice of cake. So let's carry on. Okay guys, can you see that structure just over there? We will be getting close to that in a bit, but that is a 9-metre tall ancient Egyptian pink granite obelisk, currently located in the grounds of Kingston Lacy. It was brought to England by William John Banks in the 1820s after his travels in Egypt. I mean, you go on holiday and you decide to bring back something from Egypt. I mean, that right there, if you could nowadays, that must have cost so much money. But it's the perfect place to have it in the grounds of your house, Kingston Lacy. I mean, it's just absolutely breathtaking and stunning views. Well, let me stop waffling on. Let's carry on walking, and let's go and see what else is to offer. Okay guys. Okay, so as we're walking down the path, check out that view just there. Absolutely stunning. Okay, as we are standing just in front of the mansion, so a bit of history for you. So Kingston Lacy is tied to the Banks family, who built Kingston Lacy in the 1600s, in the 1660s to be exact, after their previous home, which was Corfe Castle, which was destroyed. And if you want to see anything about Corfe Castle, let me know in the comments, and we're sure to do a mini adventure down there. I'm not going to carry on and bore you all with any more history. Let's carry on and see what the house has to offer for us. Come on, let's get going. Okay everyone, well thank you for coming along with me on this little mini adventure to Kingston Lacy in Dorset. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more mini adventures, and let me know in the comments below where you think I should be going next.